Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset your laptop or desktop and keep your files or datas. Okay, so let's get started. First is you need to go to the bottom search bar and search for reset. The moment you type reset, this best match will appear. All you need to do is just click on open to proceed. So actually, there are some instances that we need to reset. I mean, there is a need to reset the PC, especially if some of the programs or applications is not running well. So in order to fix the problem, then just reset your PC. Okay? So under the recovery options, it has this reset this PC, choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So basically, once you reset your PC, it will might as well reinstall the Windows. Okay? In order to proceed, just click this reset PC and it will have these two options appeared here, keep my files or removed everything. Under keep my files, remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. However, in removed everything, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings and more. I would recommend that you would go to keep my files. Here, just have to wait because this is getting things ready. Okay? Once once the process is done, it will appear here two options and it asks you how would you like to reinstall Windows. It has these two options, cloud download and local reinstall. Under the cloud download and reinstall, it will download and reinstall Windows. And here under the local reinstall, it will only reinstall Windows from this device. Here under the cloud download, I would recommend this. And cloud download requires 4 gigabyte, but I recommend you to have a 5 gigabyte of data. Once you click cloud download, just have to proceed on next. Okay? But let's say if you didn't want to keep everything, just have to remove everything, then you need to go for the second option. And in this manner, this same options will appear also. And I would recommend you to go with cloud download. It will requires 4 gigabyte of data, but as I've said earlier, just have to have 5 gigabyte of data to be sure. Okay? After that, go to this cloud download and click on next. Okay? So once you click on next, make sure that your charger is plugged in and your computer will be restarted and restarted again and again. And you just have to wait because it will be opened. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.